Hello, class 4th. You all are welcome back again in your SST class. In today's class, we are going to study chapter number 14 and the name of the chapter is Our Industries. आज बच्चों हम पढ़ेंगे हमारी इंडस्ट्रीज के बारे में. In this chapter, we will learn about what? Introduction of industries, cottage, small scale and large scale industries of India, silk and woolen textile mills, jute mills, iron and steel plants, automobile factories and electronic good industries. Now let's begin the chapter. नेचर ने हमें बहुत सारे रिसोर्सेज दिए गए हैं बच्चों, विच फुलफिल मोस्ट ऑफ अवर नीड्स, जो हमारी बहुत सारी जरूरतों को पूरा करता है. बहुत सारे रिसोर्सेज, हाउएवर इट कैन नॉट बी यूज डायरेक्टली. क्या हम बच्चों जो हम चीजें उगाते हैं, क्या हम उन्हें डायरेक्टली कंज्यूम कर लेते हैं? क्या जो पेड़ में गेहूं होता है, गेहूं की बालियां होती है, उनसे हम रोटी डायरेक्टली बना लेते हैं? क्या कॉटन से डायरेक्टली हम कपड़ा पहन लेते हैं? नहीं. सो ये रॉ मटेरियल्स होते हैं, इन्हें हमें कन्वर्ट करना होता है फिनिश गुड्स में. So to be able to use them, we need to convert them into finished goods such as bread, clothes, tea, furniture and utensils. Raw materials, they are converted into finished good industry के द्वारा. बच्चों, there are many type of industries. Cotton industries ऐसी industries होती हैं that are set down by the people in their own homes. A few people जो work करते हैं simple tools से. Raw materials are available nearby. जैसे कि बच्चों example है आपकी weaving clothes on handlooms, extracting oil, grinding flour, handicrafts, making toys, skin, furniture and leather goods. Small scale industries, they employ a few workers and use small machines. People work in a small factory such as industries make utensils, garments, hosiery items, electrical and plastic goods. Large scale industries, large scale industries बच्चों इसमें बहुत सारे employees होते हैं. The goods are produced on big machine on a very large scale and highly skilled labor is needed. Large scale industries ये include करती है textile, iron and steel mills, oil refineries, chemical plants, factories and manufacturing automobiles and railways engine. Now, large-scale industries, they are generally located in area where raw material, labor, and sources of power are easily available. Most of them, they are located in near or big cities. Now, India क्या है? India is one of the world's leading producer of cotton textile. There are over 2,000 cotton textile mill located mostly around Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Kanpur, Bangalore, Chennai, Coimbatore, Madurai, Varanasi, and Panipat. The black soil found in Gujarat and Maharashtra is suitable for growing cotton. Silk and woolen textile. So silk textile mills, they are located at Bangalore, Mysore, Kanchipuram, Varanasi and Bhagalpur. Woolen textile बच्चों ये located है अमृतसर, लुधियाना, पानीपत, कानपुर, मुंबई, मिर्जापुर, जामनगर and Srinagar. Jute mills, so most of the jute mills बच्चों ये located है around Kolkata. Main center है कोलकाता, रिश्रा, टीटागृह, होआरा, बुर्ज and Naihati. Now this is because the soil and the climate of West Bengal ये suited है किसके लिए बच्चों? cultivation of jute के लिए. जो एरिया जिस cultivation के लिए suited है बच्चों, तो उसकी वहां वही चीज की cultivation होती है. जो jute needs a hot and humid climate and soil that can hold water. Now iron and steel plants, so most iron and steel plants ये located है बच्चों near the coal and iron ore mining region. मेन सेंटर है जमशेदपुर, भिलाई, बोकारो, दुर्गापुर, राउरकेला, सलेम, विशाखापट्टनम एंड बर्नपुर. शुगर मिल, सो शुगर मिल ये सेकंड लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर है बच्चों इंडिया हमारा शुगर की खेती में एंड इन द वर्ल्ड आफ्टर द क्यूबा. नाउ शुगर मिल दे आर लोकेटेड इन द शुगर केन प्रोड्यूसिंग स्टेट्स ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, पंजाब एंड तमिलनाडु. The railway equipment industries, these are located in Chittaranjan, Varanasi, Kapurthala, Kolkata and Perambur. Automobile factories, so automobile factories, they are located in Gurgaon, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Jabalpur, Jamshedpur and Nashik. Now Bengaluru, इसको बच्चों Silicon Valley of India बोलते हैं because the great large number of information technology IT companies इनकी ऑफिस यही है. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गुड इंडस्ट्रीज, सो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गुड्स इंडस्ट्रीज दे आर लोकेटेड इन बेंगलुरु, मुंबई, चेन्नई, कोयम्बटूर, पुणे, लखनऊ, कोलकाता, दिल्ली एंड पंचकुला. शिप्स दे आर बिल्ट एट शिपयार्ड्स ऑफ कोची, विशाखापट्टनम, मुंबई एंड मरमागांव. एयरप्लेन्स बच्चों एरोप्लेन के फ्यू गारमेंट्स भी यही बनते हैं इन बेंगलुरु, लखनऊ, नासिक, हैदराबाद एंड Koraput. Other important industries बच्चों इंडिया में they are cement, fertilizers, glass, paper, machine tools, heavy machinery, chemicals and garments. इंडिया क्या है बच्चों? India is becoming very fast in the sector of industrialization and the growth of industries is very important because if the growth of country will increase, if the industry will increase, the employment will increase and the per capita income will increase and the country will become progressive country and economy of the country will increase. That's all about this class. Revise the chapter properly and I'll be seeing you in another SST class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.